Can you flip over? Can you turn over? Huh? Go up on your arms. We're not flying. There. Now what? Say, I like my arm out like that, Ma. You just rolled over. Are you going to do it again? Do it. Almost. No, you're tired? You got a lot of drool going on there. Oh, yes. Yes. Hi. Hi. Smile at the camera. And they make us do that at the gym. Strengthens your core. You're working hard. Ooh, is that a burp?
He's got something else out of him.
You need your arms to push you. You need your arms. No? You only turn over once a day? Is that it? Let's see. What if Mama helped you? Huh? No? No? Okay.